This song, Just Around the Corner, is it's such a fun song to play with friends at gatherings, but it can be a little bit challenging to play the original chords, to play along with the original version. On the ukulele, you have to play F sharp minor, B, the dreaded E chord for a lot of beginners, A, and here's another challenging chord, G sharp minor, C sharp, bar chord, and F sharp, another bar chord. A lot of people, you know, kind of dread playing those and find it difficult to make quick changes. So you can play with a capo to transpose this song, but you know, I personally don't like to play with a capo. A lot of people I know don't like playing with capos. So you can simplify it down by just playing in a different key. For example, if you play in the key of C, this song becomes a lot easier. C, G7, F, E minor, A7, and G. And then D7, you can play D7, the Hawaiian D7, or the traditional D7. Those are the only chords that you need to play this song. F, E minor, A7, F, G, F, G, C, just like that. So it becomes really simple, especially if you're a beginner or you're playing with other people, and you know, just in order to simplify things, make it sound a little bit better playing together. As far as the strumming pattern goes, I like to use just a simple down, up, down. So and you can add little mutes in there, like palm mutes. They take a little bit of practice, but on the mute strum, you basically just hit the strings and mute it with your palm at the same time, so like that. Or you can do like an inside out type of a picking pattern as well, which is great for this song. Kind of gives it a rolling feel, so. And for the bridge, it's great to share F, E minor, A7, and you use your D7. You can go either way. G, F, E minor, and G. And you can do the little and back to C. You can do a little run up your fretboard to kind of match the original flavor. So hopefully that gives you some ideas on how to simplify this song and be able to play it along with your friends.